Hello and how are you? My name is Muhindo Mubarak, of course, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can compile your application and upload it on Google Play Store step by step without skipping any step. So I hope you're ready to do this with me. So in the very first place, I'll explain what you're going to upload in Google Play Store. In the previous video, I've been creating an e-commerce application whereby we were using Google's Firebase Firestore as our online storage and some other few technologies. I have those videos. If you want those videos, you can find them in the description with the link. So we ended up creating this application whereby a user can create an account, or an administrator can add a product. See, when you click on here, you can add a product, and this, when you're adding a product, you can upload an image for that product and the details about that product. You can check your products, and the administrator can see all the orders that the users have created, and the administrator can do what? Can preview all the customers. You can create an account and you can log in. I'll not open all these activities because I want to save time. The user can as well do what? Can as well check out. For example, if I preview this product, I can add it to cart. All this logic, we did it in the previous videos, and if you want to see all these videos, you can find the link in the description. You see, I can add this product to the cart and it will go to the cart, and if I want to check out, I can just simply click here and I can check out this product that I've done, that I've just placed. And when I submit this order, or I add more products and I submit this order, the administrator can find these orders here, and the administrator can as well clear the orders that the other customers placed. So that's the application that we made, and if you need the source code of this application, please find the link in the description of this video. You'll find the link. So that is a simple application that we're going to upload today. So I hope you're ready to do this with me. Okay, if you want to download this code, you can find the link in the description and you can follow along to create an application like this one. It's a simple e-commerce application, but effective and almost complete. So with that much said, let's get started. Okay, so this is the source code that we created. So I'm going to take you step by step until we upload this application on Google Play Store. So the first thing that you do, you come to your project here. Okay, you come to your project and then you clear all the generated file. First of all, you take back this project to Android project by just simply don't select packages, just click here and select Android. It should be in Android form, okay, and collapse everything here. So after doing that, then you have to do what? You have to expand here and then delete this generated data here. Otherwise, if you don't delete this generated data, you will suffer. Your application will not connect to internet and will not be able to save in the local database. That is the problem that I faced on the first time. So you should make sure that you delete this generated data. Otherwise, if you don't delete this generated data, then you'll do what? You'll suffer. Okay, so you have to clean this generated data by just simply clicking here. Okay, click on the app and then click on this Java generated, right click on it and then come to just come here, expand it, and then right click this one in the package, in the form of a package, right click and then come to do what? Come to refactor. What is refactor? Okay, come to delete here. You see delete? Click on delete and make sure that it is deleted, this folder. Okay, it should be deleted and it should be like kind of empty, like the way you see it here. Or you can press the delete button to make sure that it's gone. Okay, press the delete button on your keyboard to make sure that this generated data is gone. So that is the very first thing that you do before you upload before you compile the final APK to upload on your what? On Google Play Store. Otherwise, if you don't do that, then your application will not connect to the internet. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing that you're going to do is now to create the App Apk that you're going to upload on Play Store. So these days we don't create APKs. Google suggests the other ways that you can compile application, the latest way. And when you compile application in that form, your application, Google will compile it by itself. Google will compile that application by itself, and it will make it as effective as possible by reducing its size according to the phones that will download that application. Okay, so we don't create an APK these days if you want to upload it on on Google Play Store. So let us see how we create the files that we're going to upload on Google Play Store. So to do that, you simply, let me first close everything first. Okay, I'll close everything. So you come here to build and then you come to generate So you come to build and select generate signed APK here, generate signed APK. Though, so before we could use this APK here, it's when you want to use like you to share the APK file with the local mobiles without putting onto Play Store. Still, Google can do it, but the best way these days is to select Android app bundle. Okay, and you can see the advantages of using Android app bundle. Okay, then you click on next, and then here you put the key store in case you're having a play key store path. But if you don't have it, you can say create new here. Okay, so you simply click here, create new, and here we're going to select the place where our certificate will be saved. Otherwise, if you don't have this certificate, and you must save it very, very well. If you don't have this certificate, or if you lose it, you cannot be able to do to update your application. So we're going to save the certificate. We're going to create a certificate such that next time when we want to upload our application, we'll use this certificate to update the next version. Okay, so I'm going to select a folder where the certificate should be saved here, and I'm going to select a place where it should be saved. Let me go to my documents here. So select a place that you cannot lose. Okay, so the certificate will be saved there, and that certificate is the one that can verify you that this application belongs to you. Otherwise, if you don't have that certificate, then you cannot be able to update this application. Okay, so I'll put it here under users, under motherhood, and documents. Okay, I'm going to put here in documents. So let me create just a temporary folder. Okay, I'll click on plus and say maybe Banjul food app. Okay, that's the name of my application. So so after doing that, I'll say okay. I'll select that folder, and then I say okay. Okay, so put the name of the certificate. Okay, put the name of the certificate here. Okay, so you create folder and then put the name of the certificate. Let me repeat again. Just come to the folder where you're going to save your certificate. You can put it on desktop, you can put it anywhere, but put it in a place where you cannot lose it. And it is better to save it online. You can as well save it like on your Google Drive. You can export it in your other file. I will show you how to do it. Okay, so where's my folder? Where's my folder? It is here. Okay, this is the folder, and then you put here the name of the certificate, and you see here the extension is .jks. Okay, so I say okay. So that is where the certificate is going to be saved. So next time if you want to update the application, you'll have to select the certificate first. So I put here the password. Okay, let me put here again the password, any password that you may not forget. I think that's my password. Let me repeat it. Okay, so this password you can use it when you're doing we'll use it when you're updating the application. Okay, then you select here the name of that it should be put on the certificate. So I can put here Muhindo Mubaraka. Okay, organization, maybe I can say Eugenius 24, and then I can say Banjul Food, anything. Okay, Eugenius 24. Organization unit, maybe I can say developer, and we can say I'm a developer for this organization. What's the organization name? And call it Eugenius 24. Okay, where is the city located? I can say Kampala, Uganda. Don't put a comma, don't put any other special character here. If you put a special character like a comma or anything, it will not work again. And then you can put what is it? Locality, province. Maybe I can say I live in Kibuli. That's the space, that's the place I live in, and the country is UG. That's the code that I use. Okay, so I'm done with the certificate. Again, I have to put here the username and password. I mean the password 2 times. Okay, so that's done. Okay, that's done. Then click OK, and our certificate is going to be created. So you can wait for a second, and if you go and check in the folder where we selected the certificate should be saved, I selected documents and I created a folder here called Banjul Food here, and you can see this is the certificate. So this is what you keep very well. You can put it on a pen drive, you can put it on a good drive, you can store it anywhere, but don't lose it. Otherwise, if you lose it, then you cannot update your application again. You'll not have any control on your application. I repeat, keep this certificate very well. It's the one that can prove that this application belongs to you. I think I'm clear there. Okay, so you can put it on your hard disk, you can put on a CD, you can put on pen drive, you can put on a flash disk, anywhere. You can leave it there, you can keep it online, anywhere, but you have to store it. It's nothing but a file. Okay, so after doing that, then we are done with our certificate. So I can say the password should be remembered. So here they're saying that where the key should be selected should be kept. So I'm going to select the same folder again, which is documents, and I'm going to say it should be kept in Banjul Food. It is here, and I say okay. Then I say next, and then you see they're going to change this application to what? To release, and then I click on finish. Okay, have select release, sorry, have select release, not debug, release. Okay, select release. I repeat, select release, and then say finish. So it will take a minute as it is creating these bundles, so you have to wait. So when the application is successfully done, it will bring you here the generated signed APK we have created successfully, and you can just click here and click on locate to find them. You see, click on locate to find them, and this is what you're going to upload on Google Play Store. This one, okay, this is what you're going to upload on Google Play Store. So now it's time to go to Google Play Store and upload our application. Okay, so what you do, we go now to our browser. Now let me open the browser totally in new fresh incognito mode, so I can explain everything step by step. Okay, so what you do first, you search Play Store developer. Play Store developer. Okay, should be connected to internet. Me, I am not, so let me connect. Okay, I'm now connected. Okay, so just search Google Play Store developer. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see clearly. So you select here Google Play console, and then you have to sign in first. Okay, so you have to sign in. So let me log in here with my Gmail, which is here. So I've logged in. So after logging in, here you have to select the user that you're going to use this one. So I select that kind of user. So I'll not be able to proceed. You know the reason why? It's because I have not paid. Okay, so I have to first pay by simply coming here, select this account, say here, and accept. And after accepting, then you have to sign up. Okay, so you sign up for the account, you know. So I have to enter here my name that will appear in Google Play Store, my email, and my contact. Okay, my email and my contact, for example. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so public developer name. So what will be appear in the what in the Google Play Store? I can say Mohindo Baraka. So if it is the name of the company, you put it there. Secondary email, so I can say maybe this email, and then they put here my contact number. I can say plus 01632257609. That's my contact number, and then I say I confirm, I accept everything. I say create account on Play Store. So they can say developer name has already been used. Okay, so okay, I can say Barak, maybe like this. It's not used yet. Yeah, the other name I already used on the other account. So now here you have to pay $25. Okay, you have to pay $25, and you can see the cards that are supported. Can you see them? They are the cards that are supported. They support MasterCard, Visa, and JCB, and these others. Okay, I don't know which others are these ones for me, but for me, I used Visa to pay. Okay, so you have to pay first. Okay, after paying, then you can proceed. I can help you with my account if you want to to practice with. Just contact me. I can help you with my own account just for practicing, and after practicing, you let it back. Okay, or I remove you. But if you want to purchase your own account, this is where I purchase from, and that's how it is purchased. Okay, so for me, I already have an account, so we're going to proceed. But if you want to practice with my account, you can contact me and we talk. If you're the right person, I can help you with my account and use it for practicing. Okay, so with that much said, now let us go to the account, my own account that is already registered. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this incognito mode and open another incognito mode. Okay, so this is how your account looks like when you're logged in. Okay, this is how things look like when you're logged in. This is how the Google console looks like. After paying, you'll be able to access this. Okay, so these are some of the apps that I've already uploaded before, but without wasting much time, let us go straight to the point. You just simply click here, create an app. When you want to upload a fresh new app, click on create app here. Okay, then you'll start the steps of creating an app. So I'm going to put here the app name that I need to upload, which is Banjul Food app. Okay, so I select language that is used in this app, and then I specify whether it is a game or an application. Of course, it's an application. And then I specify whether it's free or for paid. I select is for free, and then I confirm developer policies, and then I confirm I accept the US laws. Okay, so after doing these steps, I click on create an app. Then by doing like this, my app is going to be created, and it's going to be selected by default. So you may think that it's done, but that's just the beginning. Okay, so that's the application. It's done. I mean, being created, it's done. Now it's time to do what? It's time to upload it. There's a lot to do when you're uploading an application. So the first thing that you do, you have to make sure that the application that you want to upload is selected here. Can you see? You have to make sure that it's selected first. After making sure that it's selected, then you can go ahead with uploading. You see, I have some other applications, but they're not selected. So I make sure this app is selected. Okay, so after selecting, you then come here to release here. What is it though? This thing is a little bit confusing. You have to come here to release. To see application releases. So I come to production, but I don't know the exact steps. Okay, so you come to production and say create a new release. Okay, come to production and click on create new release, the app. Okay, by clicking on create new release, then here we're going to upload those APK. You remember that we did. Okay, so I can say continue. I have no problem with Google signing in my application. So we are going to upload those .abb file that we created. You remember? So I'm going to go to its folder, which is here. You see, this is the file that we created before. Then I'm going to drag and drop it here, and then to take some time to be uploaded and be checked by PlayStore that if it is the right file to be uploaded. So you can see here it was uploaded successful, and you can check from here how everything was okay. You see the application version is this one, and then you're going to put here the notes about the application. So we're going to describe and you can see here the countries that this application will be available. I mean the full details about the application. You can see it from here. Okay, so if this application was not successful, they will warn you here. Okay, and if you want to delete this version, you can delete it from here. So everything is beautiful up to this point. Now here you explain what is in this application, or what is in this application that we just created, the versions, the current version. Okay, so I can explain here. So I'm going to pause the video and write here some few things so that the video should not be long. So these are the few things that I've written about this application, I mean this current version. Can you see? Are the few things that I've written. I've said I've written about a few features in this current application. Okay, so it's what this release will be about. Okay, then after doing like that, then you click on save to save this application, and then you're going to begin a new what, another journey. Okay, so after doing that, if you click here on release review, they'll show you the warnings of things that you've not accomplished. Of course, there's a lot that you have to accomplish before you proceed. So let us go and see those errors. So you have to go to dashboard and you see what you have not completed. These are the things that you have to do before you complete. So these are the tasks that you have to accomplish. So you can skip the test, the test part. Okay, so you can start from here. Click here, teasers. I don't know which teasers. Click there. I don't know this for sure. Create email list. No, I think this one is in case you want to select people to be modified. Okay, so I'll skip that. I'll come for it later. I know they're adding more new things every day. Come back here to set up information. Click on the task that you have to accomplish. Then you click on app access. Okay, select that one. So they will ask you app access, and they ask all functionality if they are available without restriction or not. So select here that they can access the application without any restriction. So I click there. So let me zoom in so I can see clearly. Okay, so I then click back. So that is done. Okay, you see this is done. Click on here, ads. Do you have ads in application? No, my app does not contain any ad. Save, and then click back. They ask us if our okay, we are going to do the rating. That's another time-taking thing. So let's do the rating. So you have to put your email. For example, I can put my email, smobs@gmail.com. I can put this one, ugnews24@gmail.com. Okay, then after doing that, we go ahead and click the category, reference news, education. Okay, select the category of the application. You select the category of the application. It's social media. Is it entertainment? Okay, let us see. Social media, forum, content, game, entertainment, utility, productivity, and communication. It is here. I think utility, productivity, and communication. Yeah. So we select next. These questions are too much, and then they'll ask, does it have any violence? Of course, no. Sexuality? No. Language abuse? No. Controlled substance? No. Promotion of age restriction? No. Malicious? No. Whatever? No. That? No. Does this app allow users to purchase digital goods? No. Does this app contain store whatever? No. Propaganda? Is it the web browser or search engine? No. And then you say yes, save. That is the first rating. Say next to get another questionnaire. So we submit this questionnaire and then start another one. They are around 4. Again, put an email. Category, it is glossary. Okay, you see here, it's grocery here they have given us. Then select next. Doesn't contain violence? No. Sexuality? No. Language abuse? No. Controlled substance? No. Age restriction? No. Is it malicious? No. Does it uses physical location? No. Digital goods? No. Click save. Click next. Rating, that's the rating, we are rating the application. Submit, and then start another questionnaire again. Interesting. Put again the email, select the category, it's content, greater consumer stores, commercial services. Okay, select next. Violence? No. Sexuality? No. Language, whatever, offensive language? No. Contain reference duplicate? No. Age restriction? No. Malicious? No. No. Save. It's taking our time. Submit. Okay, again, after start another questionnaire. Put the email. Category, content aggregators, whatever. Next. No, 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 and save and click next. Hope that was the last questionnaire. Do you need to do all the questionnaires? I don't think. Let us do the last one. Let's do the very last one. That's the last one for sure. I'll just skip if they bring another one. No, 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 no. Save, next, submit. I think that's enough. Okay, so let us click back here to dashboard. Okay, the content rating is over. Target audience, between 18 and over. Next. Could the store listing unintentionally appeal to the children? No. So target the age of 18 and above. Save. Okay, that is done. Okay, so go back again. That is done. Is it a news application? No. Save. Go back again. Okay, that is done. Select category details, setup store listing. Okay, that is where now we have to select the details. It's an app category. Where is e-commerce? It's just select business. Let us see if there's another suitable thing. Shopping. Yeah, it's for shopping. Manage tags. So you can put here some tags that you want to, that you may want to do what? Google to people may want to search. Okay, that you think people may search and want to find your application. So let me click on search. This thing is crashing. It's not working. Is it it's business? It's where's e-commerce? It's a business. Is it a dating application? It's entertainment. You can select maybe fashion. You can say food and drink, food delivery, health and fitness. Okay, you apply here, select the right categories, where I mean in the right tag that your app can be categorized in, and then apply. Okay, so after putting the tags, you can save again. Okay, put the email, and then put the phone number in case, and then put the website for the app if it has one. You can say maybe Genius24.info, but yeah, HTTPS. Okay, do you want to advertise Google Play Store if it's possible? Yeah, so save. That is done. So you can go back again to the required field. You can go back again to the dashboard, and you see what is still needed. I think it's the dashboard. Yeah, I hope so. So everything is done. So you have here store, set up the store listing. Now that's where we take too much time. So we select here Banjul Food App. That's the name of the app. Then you write here a short description about the app. You can say order for food in Banjul, Gambia. Okay, I can say ordering for food in Banjul, Gambia, made simple with Banjul food app. Okay, just write here a short thing that describes the what, your application. Okay, so that's it. And then write here a full description about the application. There should be enough lines, otherwise if you write short lines they'll reject it. Okay, write enough description of this application, otherwise they'll reject it. Okay, so let me describe it. I'm going to pause the video and write it. So I'm done to write my description. Here's my description. You see, Untitled Food App is an application based in Gambia that allow users blah 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 blah. So you have to write a few lines here. At least they should be more than 1,000, and they should be making sense. Otherwise, if you write wrong things here, your application will be rejected. They will not allow it. Okay, again and again and again. So what you do, take your time and write a few lines here, at least 1,000 lines. That is describing your application and what it's going to do in the what, in the Google Play Store. So that is done. Then let us proceed. Oh, here now we have to upload the application icon. Okay, and it should be what? Don't use text, rank, price, whatever. It should be transparent, PNG. Okay, we got you. So here I want to upload a what? An application. I mean in the app icon. Okay, so I have not even created the application icon. That's the issue. I forgot even to show how to change the application icon, but no problem. Let's go ahead and create the application icon. Okay, so I'll simply come to where? Let me open Photoshop, and then you have to take these dimensions, 512 by 512. Otherwise, if you take wrong dimension, then your things won't work. And then let me create a what? Let me create a new project. I'll take the dimension. The dimension they say it should be what? What is it here? It should be 512 by 512. Okay, otherwise if you take it so huge or so small, it will not work. So let me make here 512 by 512, a PNG or JPG. So you can use even a JPG, no problem. So I'll come here, 512 by 512. So let me call it, if they support a JPG, then let us use another simpler way. Okay, so they support JPG, so I'll simply come here and go to canva.com. so canva.com is a place where you can create your files, or I mean your designs, in a very simple way. So you just simply say create here, create design, and I click on plus, and then say here, and 512. Okay, that's the dimension of the logo that they recommended. So canva.com, if you don't know it, it will make it simpler for you to design things in a simpler way. For example, I want a logo for food. So what if I search here food? See, I can call this one here, or I can call this one. Let me call this one, and then oh yeah, I can call it here. Untitled Food App. That's a simple logo. I can delete this. Okay, can put your website, Untitled Food App.com. So I can resize this one a little bit. Our logo is done. Our logo is done, and it's beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and download the logo. Simply click here. They say JPG. Let me select JPG. JPEG or JPG? JPG. Keep the quality the same and then download. Continue editing. So our app is, our logo is done, is here. So let's see if it is to be accepted. Okay, So I'll just drag and drop here. They say JPEG, not JPG. Let us see if it will be accepted. Yeah, it has been accepted. Most of the time they reject it. Okay, let me come and close this Photoshop thing. I don't need it. So you can use Canva. Just create an account on Canva. It is very, very simple. As you've seen how to create an application. I mean how to create a design is simple. So they say you have to create a what? A graphics, graphics for this application. And they need how many of them? 1. Okay. So we are going to do what? We're going to create graphics with these dimensions. So I simply come here to our canva.com again, and then click on create new. So it is 524 by what? By 500. 524 by 500. Make sure that you write the right dimensions, then click on create. Otherwise, if you write wrong dimension, then it won't work. It won't work. Let me search again food and see if we have the right graphics for food. I can select some of these ones. Okay. But it's not relevant with the application, Okay, let me select these ones. So you can use these graphics, to design. You see? Let me duplicate and put this one also. Wow. See, all these are ideas by other people. Let me duplicate and put this one. I duplicate and put this one again. Yeah, and then duplicate and put this one. Wow, it's beautiful. So these are the ideas. Let's download the first one first. If they accept it, then we'll go with that only. So what are the type that they need? JPG and PNG. Okay, let's go ahead and get the PNG version and select the first one. Okay, then I say download. So I say continue editing, and then I come and drag and drop it here. Okay, it's not simple, it takes time. See, how many do they want? They want 1. Yeah, I think they want 1. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so that's it. You can, for example, if I choose yellow, so I could use yellow. But let's go with that, no problem. Okay, so if we have a video to put, you can put here a video, but you don't have a video. So here they need us to upload 8 screenshots for the application. Okay, so they need us to upload 2 to 8 screenshots of application. So let's go ahead and take screenshots of application. So I'll take this one, click that. Okay, the screenshot is taken. If you want to find it, where can I find it? With the application here. So I have this thing. I can just simply come here and search .png. I know it has just been created. It is here. This is a screenshot, and you can find it there. Just look where the screenshots of our apps are being saved. For example, mine are being saved on the desktop. Okay, so find where the screenshot of your emulator are being saved. So I'm going to drag and drop this one. I need 2. Let me get another one. Let me get this one of the cat. What do they say? They need at least 2. So I take another one. This one also. Good. So I'll come and get it from here. Where? Let me just click on my everything app. Okay. So look for the 2 screenshots. You can transfer them from your mobile. You can do anything. Okay, it is here. And that's the same. That's the same. You cannot fool these guys. Let me upload this one. Let me delete this. Okay. They need at least 2. Okay, there are 2 now. You can go ahead and put up to 8, up to 5. It's up to you. But for me, I can leave those ones. And maybe I should put 1 more for sign up page. First log out, and then log in, create an account. Let me take this one lastly. So I'll come and upload that. Okay, there I am done. You can upload up to 8, maximum of 8. So that's done, and I'm going to take the tablet version size. The tablet version, these are the pixels, so we're going to create a design. We're going to manually create a design for this because we don't have a tablet. So I'll come here, create a design of what? 320 by what? By 3840. 3840. That's the tablet, okay? So let's go ahead. No. Let's just try to put this one that we got from the other graphics and see if they'll accept it. Drag and drop this. No, that won't be accepted, of course. That won't be accepted. Yeah, that's the one that I'm meaning. So they want how many? Upload up to 8. So maximum is 8, but even 1 can work. So you can go ahead and put this one also. They're just kind of graphics. Download this one, the second one, so I can get this second one, download it, and then after it's downloaded, we'll simply drag and drop it. Takes time, but it's worth it to learn. So those are the 2 screenshots of tablets, tablet size. So after doing that, 1-inch tablet, let us see if again they'll accept the same. Drag and drop this one. Will they accept it? You know, these things are so painful. Yes, they accept it. And drag and drop this one. We don't have a tablet. So that's done, okay? That's done. You know, this is the most thing that takes too much time. So the whole form is fully done. Okay, then I'll go ahead and click on save. I hope it will accept. Yes, yes, it has been accepted. That's beautiful. So I think we're done. So click on dashboard again. Let me zoom out. Okay, so everything is done. Now we have to upload the application for release. This one I did not understand it. Share your app with up to 100 internal testers. Identify issues, get back feedback. Select testers. Create and roll out release. Review rollout. Let us leave this one. I think it's not necessary. Okay, so that's the last point here. Click here. You see where I clicked? Let me go back again. Come to dashboard, and click here. Review and rollout release. So that's where they can tell us if we are still lacking something. Okay, so that's it. Now have to select release. Okay, it's done. So have select control, add countries where this application will be supported. Select all the countries, click on add countries. So select all countries, and then add all countries. So I've added all the countries, then come back to review here, release. So there's a place where I have to select release. So click on edit release again, click on edit release. Very good. Okay, you see I had to click on edit release and then click on what? On review. But after you've selected the countries, okay, and then it says start rollout. Okay, this warning can be left, then click on start rollout. Boom. Yes, so the application has been uploaded, and you can see here it is in a what? It is in a review. So it takes time to for sure to upload the application. So it is under review now. So you have to go and sit back and wait for less than 1 week, and come as we are checking if the application has been reviewed. It can take 2 days, can take 3 days, just up to those guys. They decide when it should take. So You can just come back to log into your dashboard and then check the status of your application. So you can see at this moment it is under what? Under review. You see here it's where you check from, in review. After being reviewed, they will tell you whether it is successfully reviewed, whether it is accepted or rejected. Otherwise, if it is accepted, then they will let you know, and if it is rejected, still they will let you know from here and through the email. And if you want to preview this app in the Play Store, just simply click here, go to Play Store, okay, and then they will show you where the app will be displayed in the Play Store. So that's it. That's how we upload an app on Google Play Store. So let us wait for a few days as we are checking, and if it comes on Play Store, I'll let you know and I'll share with you the links. Please, if the video was helpful to you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see here, this is where you review it. Click here, view on Play Store, and then you'll see the app. It is not available on Play Store. You can copy this link and also help me to be coming and check if the app is available on Play Store. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Share these videos on your platforms if you think they can be helpful to your friends, and don't give up. Of course, don't give up until you make it to the point where you want to. So let's meet in the next video as we check if this application was accepted on Play Store or was rejected, and if it was rejected, I'll tell you the reason. I'll share with you, of course. Okay, we meet.